Hello YouTube friends, welcome to Natural Healthcare. Enjoy this video and subscribe this channel.
Subscribe Natural Healthcare. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another updates. Home remedies for yellow teeth. There may be several reasons for getting teeth yellow, but this problem can be controlled with some good home remedies for yellow teeth. Natural remedies for yellow teeth. Put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and then brush in a regular way using toothpaste too. This is extremely an effective remedy for getting white teeth. Take some orange peels and use to rub them gently on your teeth, then use toothbrush to clean your teeth properly. Keep doing this remedy for a few weeks for the best results regarding white teeth. Make a thick paste of fresh strawberries and use to rub this paste on teeth. Daily practice of this remedy can help you get rid of yellow teeth. You need to be just aware of home remedies for yellow teeth to get instant results.